Most of the maize seed in Zambia that is sold to farmers is treated to protect it from diseases and pests to enable a healthy harvest. This results in higher food production. However, some of the maize seed expires before it is sold, and when it does, the maize seed companies take up the responsibility of disposing it. The disposal process of expired treated maize seed and chemicals used to fight pests is an important and critical step. Consulting company Tandem is coordinating a new industry-wide initiative to implement sustainable waste management solutions for the seed companies in line with Zambian laws and global best practices.
For complicated waste types like seed that's been treated with chemicals, like seed bags that contain chemical residue, like empty chemical containers, unfortunately there are solutions in the pipeline in Zambia, but very limited solutions that are compliant with both local environmental standards and international standards. So right now, in the immediate term, what's happening is all of that waste is getting similar to incinerated, but a process called co-processing, where it's put into a cement kiln and burnt at very high temperatures, so there's no residue at the end of this.
The 7 major seed companies are doing this in collaboration with the Zambia Environmental Management Agency and the Zambia Seed Traders Association in line with extended producer responsibility laws in Zambia.
Those seeds are treated with chemicals. So you are looking at chemicals as part of the products that have been listed under the extended producer responsibility schedule, as well as the containers that are used to actually store those chemicals or to contain those particular chemicals. So the seed industry is required to register under the extended producer responsibility, and under that registration they're expected to put in a strategy on how they're going to actually manage the waste that will be resulted from the seed, as well as the containers, the empty containers of the chemicals. How are they going to take care of it? For us as ZEMA, we are interested in what's happening because it's part of actually a solution for the extended producer responsibility. And as a regulator, I think we're really impressed with what's happening.
For sustainable waste management solutions to succeed, good practice needs to be followed at the farms and seed production facilities.
The companies involved are well aware and they handle this very well. However, we need to build upon the efforts being done now with the more global approach of this waste management in terms of the seed industry, because the seed industry deals with the processes that handle chemicals, processes that handle packaging materials, processes that handle expired seeds and so forth. All these, they are accumulating in huge quantities now. So we need a proper professional conduit that can actually help out to dispose of these materials that can contaminate our environment.
The new waste management solution that the maize seed industry is implementing starts with companies ordering waste collection by a licensed and approved transporter. The waste is then taken for disposal at a local cement manufacturer, Lafarge. Through Lafarge Geocycle cement kiln, the hazardous waste is destroyed and energy is produced in a process that produces no waste or byproducts and with strictly monitored emissions.
The emissions coming from the burning of the waste from the kiln are consistently monitored from the central control room to ensure that we're not polluting our environment and the nearby neighborhoods and the nation as a whole and the climate. This is according to the standards of our nation, Zambia, as well as Lafarge Holcim.
So far, 124 tons of seed have been destroyed, and a further 1,310 tons is expected in 2019. Tandem envisions the next steps are to develop solutions and improve the capacity of local partners to enable recycling of seed bag, empty chemical containers, and add value to waste-treated seed. This innovative initiative is enabling the Zambian seed industry to responsibly manage their hazardous waste in line with local and global standards.